I've analyzed over 550 real comments from mechanics, truckers, and everyday drivers to name the engines with crazy longevity. The Ford 4.6-liter, America's police cruiser special, owners seeing 322,000 miles and counting. A 2007 Fusion's 3.0-liter Duratec, hitting an insane 410,000 miles, all original. A 300 inline-6 that kept running after losing all its oil. These aren't manufacturer claims. These are real survival stories. Kicking off at number 20 is the 4.0-liter Cologne V6. The Ford 4.0-liter V6 from second-generation Explorers earned serious respect from owners. One viewer had two of them, calling them excellent low-issue engines that easily hit 250 to 300,000 miles with minimal problems. Another owner specifically mentioned their 4.0-liter V6 OHV with 160 horsepower as being incredibly reliable in their Explorer. These engines powered countless family adventures through the 90s and 2000s, proving that Ford's German-engineered V6 was built for the long haul. While not the most powerful option, the 4.0-liter Cologne consistently delivered dependable service in SUVs and trucks, making it a favorite among those who prioritized reliability over performance. Next, at number 19 is the 3.7-liter, 3.5-liter Cyclone V6. The Ford Cyclone V6 family deserves far more recognition. One knowledgeable viewer called it insanely reliable, rarely having issues while delivering decent power. They said it should share the legendary 4.6-liter 2V's reputation for little to no problems. These engines powered Mustangs and most Ford police vehicles, from Taurus and Explorer to F-150, proving their toughness in demanding roles. Law enforcement wouldn't choose unreliable engines, and the Cyclone's widespread use in police fleets highlights its dependability. With a balance of solid power and exceptional reliability, the Cyclone V6 became a top choice for both civilian and commercial needs. Coming in at number 18 is the 2.3-liter four-cylinder. One viewer called the 2.3-liter four-cylinder bulletproof, and that simple comment says a lot. This engine powered Rangers and other Ford vehicles for decades with impressive durability. Often overshadowed by V6 and V8 engines, the 2.3-liter showed that size isn't everything for longevity. Its straightforward design, solid construction, and easy maintenance made it a favorite for those needing reliable, no-nonsense transportation. The 2.3-liter highlights Ford's skill in building tough, dependable four-cylinders, capable of handling daily use, delivering good fuel economy, and lasting for years with basic care. Next on the list at number 17 is the 1.5-liter EcoBoost. Despite early coolant intrusion issues, the later 1.5-liter EcoBoost engines proved more reliable than expected. One viewer praised the 1.5-liter European EcoBoost built in Romania, which replaced the problematic 1.6-liter version, calling it a reliable modern daily driver when maintained with full synthetic oil and high-octane fuel. This reflects Ford's learning curve in small, turbocharged engines. While early models suffered from head gasket and coolant problems, Ford refined the design over time. The key to durability is strict maintenance and premium fuel, showing that modern turbo engines can be dependable when engineered and cared for properly. At number 16 is the 6.8-liter Triton V10. This engine earns respect from RV owners and commercial users, needing more power than a V8 without diesel complexity. Though less mentioned in comments, heavy-duty users report solid reliability. This engine fills a unique spot in Ford's lineup, bridging gas V8s and diesel trucks. RV enthusiasts value its ability to haul heavy loads without diesel maintenance hassles. Sharing many parts with the 5.4-liter Triton, but adding two cylinders, it delivers the torque needed for towing. Its naturally aspirated design means fewer failure points, boosting its reputation for dependability in tough conditions. Number 15 is the 4.2-liter V6. One viewer's 2005 F-150 XL with the 4.2-liter V6 reached 140,000 miles without the spark plug issues that troubled the era's 5.4-liter Triton engines. This shows the base engine can sometimes be the most reliable choice. Often overlooked for more powerful options, The 4.2-liter rewarded owners with dependable service and fewer problems. Its simpler design meant fewer failures and avoided many issues common to Ford's complex engines of that time. While not flashy, the 4.2-liter delivered reliable, economical transportation, perfect for fleet buyers and practical truck owners needing light-duty capability without costly repairs. Coming up at number 14 is the 460 Big Block. Multiple viewers praised the 460 Big Block for exceptional reliability. One said it's right there with the 300 for reliability, high praise given the 300's legendary reputation. Another called it bulletproof, joking they couldn't pass a gas station, but could bring the station with me and toss an EV in the bed. With massive displacement and rugged construction, the 460 proved nearly indestructible under normal use. Though not fuel efficient, it pulled heavy loads for hundreds of thousands of miles. Its simple design, huge torque, and durability made it a favorite for demanding, heavy-duty work where reliability beats fuel economy. Next on the list at number 13 is the 351 Cleveland. It is legendary for performance, but also surprisingly durable. One viewer shared a story of driving over 100 kilometers, 62 miles, without a radiator cap, and later losing all the oil after bottoming out the sump, yet still driving 15 kilometers, 9 miles, home. After repairs and refilling, the engine kept going, showcasing its toughness. Designed with large ports and valves for power, the Cleveland's robust build handled serious abuse. Though known as a performance engine, real-world use proves it's also reliable when maintained. This blend of power and durability made it a favorite for enthusiasts seeking both. At number 12 is the 351 Windsor. It shares its 351 cubic inch displacement with the 351 Cleveland, but deserves its own recognition. Multiple viewers praised the 351W for being a reliable, trouble-free engine. One recalled their dad's Lincoln with a 351W that reached over 200,000 miles. When sold, the buyer wanted the engine alone to rebuild for a truck, highlighting its durability and rebuildability. As Ford's V8 workhorse, the Windsor powered everything from trucks to luxury cars. Its simple design, strong aftermarket support, and versatility made it a favorite for daily driving and performance builds alike. Next, at number 11 is the 289 V8. Though not often mentioned, the 289 is the foundation of Ford's small block legacy. One viewer called it an award-winning engine and remarkable, even saying it should be number 1 on the list. The 289 powered the original Mustang and many Ford models in the 1960s, establishing Ford's reputation for dependable V8s. Its simple design, solid construction, and decent fuel economy made it popular. The 289's influence shaped nearly every Ford V8 that followed, creating a durable, reliable template that balanced performance with longevity in American small block engines. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. At number 10 is the 4.6-liter 2-valve V8. This Ford's engine dominated police fleets and earned huge respect. One viewer's 1997 Thunderbird has 322,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. Still starts like new. Another shared their 2009 F-154.6-liter 3V hit 400,000 miles without leaks or burning oil. Many reported seeing more 4.6-liter engines surpass 300,000 miles without repairs than any other engine. Called Ford's workhorse of America's police force, the bulletproof 4.6-liter 2-valve earned its reputation through simple design, proven reliability, and handling extreme police duty. It powered Crown Victorias for decades, proving unmatched durability. Next, at number 9 is the 3.0-liter Duratec V6. It surprised owners with impressive longevity. One viewer's 2007 Fusion has 410,000 miles, all original. Multiple Ranger owners reported the engine easily reaching 300,000 miles with basic maintenance, one saying 300,000 easy with proper care. Another called it one of Ford's best engines for the Taurus platform. Featuring dual overhead cams and modern engineering, The Duratec proved complexity doesn't mean unreliability when done right. With decent power, good fuel economy, and exceptional durability, it stood out in Ford's lineup. Its consistent high-mileage performance shows that reliability can come from smart, refined design. Coming up at number 8 is the Ford 5.4-liter 2-valve Triton. This engine is surprisingly reliable when separated from its problematic 3-valve successor. One owner's 2003 F-154x4 with 539,000 miles had oil changes every spring and fall with Mobil 1. Another's 2001 Expedition with over 300,000 miles still runs great. A third's 2010 F-153V hit 180,000 miles with only one tune-up and regular oil changes. Many viewers stressed the difference. 2V Tritons were reliable. 3V had all the problems. Early 2-valve 5.4-liter engines, 1997 to 2003, proved dependable, with durability coming from proper maintenance before Ford's 3-valve design introduced issues. Number 7 on the list is the 6.2-liter Boss V8. The 6.2-liter Boss often exceeds 200,000 miles, but gets little online recognition. One F350 owner with 220,000 miles says it's still going strong with regular maintenance, noting it doesn't get any love online, despite proven reliability. Another viewer summed it up: "It's a naturally aspirated engine with no complicated crap and runs forever." The 6.2-liter embodies old-school engineering, big displacement, simple design, and bulletproof reliability. Without turbos or complex systems, it just works day after day. Its straightforward approach prioritizes durability, giving truck buyers a dependable alternative to more complex engines. Next, at number 6 is the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. This entry surprised many. A reliable EcoBoost engine. Multiple viewers praised Ford's 2.7-liter as the most dependable current engine. One owner said their 2.7-liter was absolutely the best, with 120,000 miles and counting. A Ford technician with nearly 40 years' experience called it bulletproof, and said he's never seen these engines have problems. Others said the 2.7-liter is far more reliable than the 3.5-liter. Many commented it's one of the most reliable engines ever built by Ford, easily hitting 200,000 plus miles without major repairs. Ford's refined engineering made the 2.7-liter a modern turbocharged success story. At number 5 is the 302/5.0 L Windsor V8. The 302 Windsor embodies decades of American muscle reliability. One owner's HO pushrod 302 V8 hit 301,000 miles with only water pump and alternator replacements. Another's 1990 Mustang GT 5.0-liter ran trouble-free for 200,000 miles before selling. A third proudly shared their 1992 5.0 H Oh Baby, the 302 powered Mustangs and F-150 IS with legendary durability. Its simple pushrod design, strong build, and vast aftermarket support make it virtually immortal. Affordable parts and easy maintenance keep it popular. The 302 symbolizes American V8's golden age: simple, powerful, and incredibly long-lasting automotive immortality in cast iron. Coming in at number 4 is the Ford Coyote 5.0-liter V8. The modern Coyote shows Ford still builds exceptional V8's blending performance and reliability. One 2012 Mustang GT owner has 290,000 miles on their Gen 1 Coyote, saying, "I've always pushed my baby hard, and she's always responded." With only a timing chain replacement after years of use, a 2015 F-150 XLT owner calls theirs tough as nails at 145,000 miles. The Coyote combines high revving power with surprising durability, merging old-school V8 character and modern tech. Even under hard use, it delivers consistent reliability, proving modern engines can be both sophisticated and dependable. Taking the third spot on the list is the 6.7-liter PowerStroke diesel. Ford's own diesel finally got it right after learning from previous mistakes. One owner calls their 2017 F-250 with 130,000 miles the best vehicle I have owned. and notes it's been more trouble-free than my Toyota 4Runner. Another with a 2021 6.7-liter PowerStroke and 10-speed combo calls it an absolute beast that handles 30 to 32,000 pounds very comfortably with no problems whatsoever, describing it as the best combo I have ever driven. The 6.7-liter represents Ford's redemption in the diesel world after the disasters of the 6.0-liter and 6.4-liter engines. Ford went back to the drawing board and created their own diesel from scratch, resulting in an engine that combines massive power, 440 horsepower, and 925 pound-feet of torque with surprising reliability. It proves Ford learned from their mistakes and finally built a diesel worthy of the PowerStroke name. Next, at number 2 is the 7.3-liter PowerStroke diesel. The legendary 7.3-liter PowerStroke is diesel royalty, known for its unmatched longevity. One owner bought their 1999 F250 new and says, "It's still running like a clock. It'll probably outlast me." A business owner shared owning 10 different 7.3-liter trucks since 1995, with the last sold at 420,000 miles. Another viewer daily drives a 1996 F250 with 470,000 miles on original injectors, HPOP, and turbo. Many report these engines easily passing 500,000 miles with routine maintenance. One fleet owner said their 7.3-liter trucks were only retired at 250,000 plus miles due to interior wear, not engine issues. Built by International Navy Star, the 7.3-liter stands as the pinnacle of reliable mechanical diesel engineering. Taking the first spot on the list is the 300 inline 6, the undisputed champion in the comments, the legendary Ford 300 inline 6. One viewer said they owned 4 of them, each nearing 200,000 miles and all completely trouble-free. A 1995 F-150 owner reported their 4.9-liter is running strong as ever after 30 years with the original factory engine. Many called it bulletproof, with one saying, "The most bulletproof engine they ever made." The durability stories are jaw-dropping. One person drove over 60 kilometers without a radiator cap, then lost all oil after bottoming out the sump, still drove another 15 kilometers home, repaired it, and it kept going. Another summed it up perfectly. "You just can't wear these engines out if you change the fluids." The 300's simple design and rock-solid reliability make it true mechanical immortality. From the immortal 300 inline 6 to the surprising 2.7-liter EcoBoost, real-world reliability comes in many forms. What's your high-mileage hero? Drop it in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more real-world auto content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.